my beautiful vintage lovers, Dobi here from Blouse from the Past Bags on Etsy. I'm shooting today's video to share with you six items that I sold on my Etsy shop over the weekend. I will pack them and get them on the way to their new owners. I sold items to the United States, to Australia, Germany, Austria, and I can't remember now, but yeah, I think they're going to all different places. So guys, without further ado, let me get started and show you the items that I sold, and I will hurry up to pack up and get on the way. So I sold a couple of blouses. I have a Suede bag, braided leather belt, and also a crochet shawl and a pair of boots. So let's start with the accessories. I sold this cute brown leather belt, which I only listed on my Etsy shop, I think this weekend, if I'm not mistaken, and it is already going to Australia. And I also sold this super cute purple Suede leather purse with adjustable shoulder strap with pockets and a couple of compartments inside, two compartments, one pocket with zip closure, and this one is going to Germany. And let me show you the boots because they are just amazing. They're heavily distressed camel brown leather boots with comfortable block heels, and they also have leather, real leather soles. They're all leather, beautiful patina, beautifully distressed look with lots of scratches and marks on the leather surface, and they fit like size 37 Europe. You can't really see it because it has faded, but 37 Europe, so that's UK 4 or US 7. If I'm converting that correctly. So I am not sure where these booties are going to, but I will check in a little bit. I already printed my shipping labels, and I also sold a couple of blouses. This is amazing. It has back button closure. It's in silver gray color. It has beautiful shine when exposed to light, and it has short sleeves, perfect for the office. I adore this piece. And I sold this cute pure cotton dirndl blouse with button front closure and short puffy sleeves with lace trim around the neckline, and it has ties at the sleeves and elasticated back for a fitted silhouette. And is this the last item? I think it is, guys. I think this is the last item. It's this black simple fishnet crochet shawl made of super fluffy fabric. You can wear it in a number of different ways. You can wear it as a shawl or as a cape. You can wear it as a bib scarf or as a head scarf. It's super versatile, and it's a lovely piece for the fall and winter season. So guys, these are all the items that I sold over the weekend. Let me pack them and get them on the way to their new owners. Alright guys, so I packed everything, it's right here. I'm going to ship the items to their new owners. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. And also don't forget to check out Blast from the Past bags on Etsy. It's my vintage shop and everything is 25% off until the end of September 2025. Thanks so much guys, take care, bye!